bikes is stranded at Memorial Park, where crowds are just a memory.
The event was great. We had a great crowd. The weather turned out beautiful. We still got a couple hours left. But I'll tell you what, we did great while we were here. See what happens. Now this place is a ghost town. But I don't care. We had great sales all day. We killed it. I think we're in great shape. Everything was marked down half price.
Still have a couple more burgers left. We're supposed to do that. It went out of the ballpark. Having this key is huge. We got this power. We might as well use it. Let's go to the baseball game and make even more money.
All right, on to the baseball game. Go! Woo!
$6, please. There is only 2 meatballs, girls, because we are selling out. We have sold 30 pounds of meat, and we are going strong. We're going to have to be back in about an hour. We have to run to the store, so if you guys could come back, that would be great. This is good and bad. We're selling out of things, but we have to keep going to the grocery store, wasting time.
Hey, 5 balls! 5 balls!
Are you pulling up at the ballpark? Damn, there are tons of people here.
Hey guys, we're serving our famous flaming fried balls outside. All you have to do is just hook a run right there. Be ready in about 15 minutes.
That key was the best thing that ever happened to us.
If you guys are hungry, we'd love to feed you.
The people of Amarillo have been so great to us, and now we get to feed another 7,000 folks. I mean, this is incredible.
Hey, you guys ready? 2 burgers and 12 balls for these guys. 1 order. I got balls in the window! I need a calculator, guys. I can't do this. 56, 36, 82. 82, you can double check. 82.
14.
82. I'm Asian, man. Whatever. On point.
Okay, guys, we are open again. Thank you all for waiting. Thank you for coming back. Those who were here before. Okay, 2 meatballs. Thank you. 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 1. 3 donuts. So 7 meatballs, 3 donuts. I'm so ready for this day to be over. I'm exhausted. We had an incredible day, but I need it back. Really bad. Guys, I feel like we're flowing pretty good. 31. Who's getting taken off? You taking off our boat?
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much.
We love you. Well, we gotta go. Look at this. We got 50s, 100s. Look, it's wrapped in 50s. Each bundle is $500. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 there. We haven't even gotten to this stuff yet.
Can you see these amount of receipts? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 books of 50. That's 450 individual sales and then some.
Good job. Thank you, Orlo.
Big one. Bam. Rock it out. Close down, boys.
I'll tell you, if we make it through this one, we sure did learn a lot. Now we just gotta cross our fingers that Boot didn't kill us.
The fire must still be burning strong. It's a big forest fire. I can see it on the astronomy website. Yeah, it's funny. The telescope website is showing, looks like a sunset, but it's the fire.
Waffles, but it's hard to say.
Use 6 food trucks. You know the ones that didn't exist 3 weeks ago? Made over $21,000 in Amarillo, Texas.
I feel good about the fact that we sold a lot of waffles, but it's hard to say how well did the other teams do.
Each team did numbers that any established food truck would envy. But guys, you all know the drill. One of you is going home today. Unfortunately, with a number that would have put you in first place in both